Kalea Lifts Repair, Servicing and Maintenance. Kalea Lifts was founded in 1898 and they have been in the lift business since the 1920s. Today, they deliver ready-made and reliable lift solutions in small packages to customers across the globe. From their smallest to their biggest lift, the concept is the same. Requiring no separate machine room, lift shaft or pit, all lifts from Kalea are fast and easy to install. With a large choice of options and accessories, this will make your lift blend in seamlessly with its surroundings, regardless of your specific use or setting. Installing a Kalea lift is fast, cost-effective and easy. Their lift solutions require no pit, no separate machine room, nor lift shaft. The minimal construction work enables you to save a lot of time and money. When you buy a Kalea lift, you can be sure that your money is spent on a high-quality product, not on site preparation and building work. But it does not end here. After installation, you continue to save money on service and maintenance. Our lifts are very low maintenance. In all respects, Kalea Lift Solutions present you with a great alternative to conventional lifts. Distinctive Kalea features: fast delivery, manufacturing time from 3 weeks, fast installation, from 2–3 days, easy to install without major construction work, Swedish design and quality since 1898, excellent technical support and training, spare parts online 24/7. Our service response time. If something is wrong with your Kalea platform and accessibility lift, you can always contact us for service support. Our cross-Europe network and in-house team of engineers and technicians have many years of experience. Our knowledge and experience mean a lot to our customers. We understand the importance of keeping your lifts in service, especially those providing accessibility. We pride ourselves on our response times. We answer your calls 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We will assist you in the event of an unexpected lift failure with initial phone consultation, directly with a trained technician, and always aim to follow through with a same-day visit to fix the problem and have your lift back in service in the quickest possible time. Service agreement. When you buy a lift from any manufacturer, we always advise to get a service agreement with an experienced and professional service company. We offer several simple-to-understand client-focused agreements with different service levels to meet all types of needs. Common to all service contracts is that they guarantee reliability and extend the lifetime of your lift. Servicing your elevator regularly is integral to long equipment lifetime and trouble-free operation. Are you interested in a service agreement? Contact us and we'll tell you more. Spare parts. As we specialize in platform lift servicing across many global lift brands including Kalea. Our well-established network provides immediate access to all Kalea platform and accessibility lift spare parts, keeping response times fast, and resulting lift downtimes low.